Hi there, Doc from Barcast Audio here today to talk with you about the rule for the intentional tort of assault. Assault is taught in torts law, in law school, and on the bar exam. Let's jump right into the rule here. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Be sure to check us out at barcastaudio.com. Audio outlines, essay attack sheets for law school. We have a law school program. We have a bar exam program. Everything you need, tutoring. Check us out at barcastaudio.com. The general rule for assault is as follows. An assault is established by proof, 1, of an intentional act, 2, which places a plaintiff in a reasonable apprehension, 3, of imminent, harmful, or offensive contact with the plaintiff's person. Keep in mind that we typically look for a subjective assessment of apprehension, but an objective assessment of imminence. Example: Lester, Mike, and Teddy are playing in a game of underground poker. After a string of bad hands, Teddy leaps on the table and brandishes a handgun. He points the handgun at Mike's head and says, "That's the last time you cheat, Teddy. Now you're going to die." Teddy pulls the trigger and water shoots out of the gun. It turns out Teddy's weapon was actually just a water gun painted to look like the real thing. If Mike sues Teddy for assault, is he likely to prevail? The answer here is yes. Mike would prevail in an action for assault because Teddy acted intentionally in creating a reasonable apprehension in Mike of being shot. And this threat was imminent. Mike had no time to sort of react here. The fact that the gun was actually a water gun does not negate the reasonableness of Mike's apprehension here, nor does it negate the imminence of the threat. So when is the apprehension of an assault reasonable? Remember the rule that reasonable apprehension exists where a plaintiff both, 1, is aware of the defendant's act, and 2, believes that the defendant is able to commit the act. Keep in mind that the term apprehension is a potentially misleading term. Does it mean that the individual needs to be scared? No. Apprehension would be better understood as the victim's conscious belief that harmful or offensive contact is imminent, not that the plaintiff is actually afraid. Example: Baby Groot swings his arm back in a threatening manner toward the Hulk after telling him, "I'm going to punch you." The Hulk is not frightened by the threat. Would Baby Groot still be liable for assault? Yes, here, Baby Groot would still be liable for assault, because even though the Hulk was not afraid, he still had a reasonable apprehension of an imminent punch. That does it for us here. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Be sure to check us out at barcastaudio.com. We have audio outlines, we have essay attack sheets, everything you need for law school, for the bar exam. Our law school program is live now. Hop in, sign up at barcastaudio.com.